Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Waze navigation history. If you want to clear your recent destinations and search history for more privacy or to keep your app organized, just follow these simple steps. First, open the Waze app on your phone and tap the search bar to view your recent destinations and navigation history. Next, scroll through the list and find the location you want to remove. Depending on your version of Waze, tap and hold the destination or tap the three-dot menu next to it. After that, select Remove, Delete, or Remove from History. Confirm your choice if prompted, and the destination will be removed from your recent navigation list. If you want to remove multiple locations, repeat the same steps for each destination until your history is cleared. For saved places like home, work, or favorites, go to My Ways, open My Places, select the save location, and choose Edit or Delete if you want to remove it completely. If your recent history still appears after deleting items, close and reopen the Waze app to refresh the changes. You can also update Waze to the latest version if you're experiencing any issues. And that's it. That's how you can delete your Waze navigation history. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.